Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called Zoo Manners. The chapter number is 9. This chapter Zoo Manners is from NCERT syllabus class 2 subject English. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called naming method. So what are the innovations behind this innovative idea naming method? The innovations are bringing ritual practice of naming into learning pedagogy and building interconnections among the concepts being taught by replacing the actual name with the allotted name. So these are the innovations behind this innovative idea naming method. What are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concept of naming words, that is name of animals and sounds of animals. So this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this idea? Before seeing the implementation process, let us see the pre-requirements or pre-arrangements that is required to implement this innovative idea. The pre-requirement is nothing but number of empty white slips. So this is the pre-requirement for the implementation process. Now let us see the implementation process. Choose individual names for each and every student in the classroom. Ensure that the name chosen should have the scope for value addition. Now assign individual names for each and every student in the classroom. For example, student number 1, lion. Student number 2, horse. Student number 3, monkey. And so on. Now distribute the blank white slips among the students and ask them to write their assigned names in the slips. Now ask the students to attach the slips on their shirt pocket so that it can be visible to other students. Now after 2 days, add another word or another name to the existing name. For example, student number 1 was named as lion earlier. Now after 2 days, student number 1 will be named as lion roar. That is, sound of that particular animal is added to the existing word or existing name. Student number 2 was named as horse earlier. Now after 2 days, student number 2 will be named as horse neigh. The sound of that particular animal was added to the existing name. Student number 3 was named as monkey earlier, and after 2 days, student number 3 will be named as monkey chatter. So in this way, continue the process till all the students complete the activity, and in this way the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea naming method? The learning outcomes are the students able to identify name of animals and sounds of animals. The students able to identify characters and sequence of events in a story or in a poem. The students able to express verbally. Students able to ask questions about the sequence of events and characters in a story or in a poem. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story or in a poem. The students able to draw or write words and short sentences in response to a poem or in response to a story. The students able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. The students able to collect records and interpret simple information. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve their learning skills with the help of this innovative idea naming method. Experiential learning takes the students from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea naming method. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.